In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to reset your password. So starting on the home page, head over to Login, type in your email address, your password if you do know it, log in, and then if it is incorrect or you don't remember your password, you will see this message at the top saying that you have entered an invalid username or password. So then, if this is the case, head over to Forgot Password here at the bottom, type in your email address, and then click Reset Password. So now you see a message that Bears Balloons has sent you an email to your email address, which has a link to change your password. So sometimes this may end up in your junk folder, so be sure to check there as well as your primary inbox. And that is how you reset your password.